Okay, you are probably thinking this is another fake guru YouTube video. And I don't blame you for thinking that way, as there are so many videos on YouTube that spread misleading information and they don't really teach you exactly how they make money on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different, as I'm going to be showing you exactly how I am currently making money from YouTube. And no, you are not making money from YouTube ads. I'm going to show you a unique strategy that I have also taught to my students as well, and they are making thousands of dollars from YouTube. Here's an example of one of my students that made his first $1,000 from posting videos on YouTube. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can also do this as well and start making money from YouTube. And I promise, if you stick with me to the end of this video, you will have everything you need and start making passive income posting simple videos on YouTube. And like I mentioned earlier, we are not going to be making money from YouTube ads. As you can see right here, for you to be eligible to make money on YouTube ads, you're going to need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. And as you can see right here, this is very difficult to attain as a newbie in this space. So that is why I'm going to show you a completely different strategy that you can use to start making money from YouTube right away without having to wait to get monetized. And I'm going to show you an example of one of my YouTube channel that I'm doing this strategy on. And as you can see here, in the last 28 days, this channel has gotten over 170,000 views. And so you can do this on a completely brand new YouTube channel, as I'm going to show you how to do everything in a moment. And as you can see for yourself, this channel is consistently getting views every single day on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how you can do this as well in today's video. So the very first thing you want to do is to go to your incognito mode, to open a new browser, and you want to go over to youtube.com, as this is going to enable us find the perfect niche to do this strategy. All you simply need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in this keyword, how to get dot. Okay, so once you type this, as you can see, YouTube is going to automatically suggest keywords people are currently searching for on YouTube. As you can see, this one right here, how to get free Roblox, how to get better at Fortnite, how to get a girlfriend. You can see there are a lot of keywords here. And now I'm going to show you a strategy you can use to get even more keywords. So now if I come over here and I type in B, as you can see here, this is going to show you other keywords that start from B. As you can see here, these are a lot of niches right here. So if I remove this B and I change it to something like D, as you can see, how to get dimples. So you can see if you use this strategy, you are going to get infinity amounts of keywords people are currently searching for on YouTube that you can target and start making money with this strategy. And also a bonus tip, you want to make sure whatever niche you are picking here is relatable and appeals to a lot of people. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, which says how to get a girlfriend. So we are going to be targeting people who are interested and people who are searching for this keyword on YouTube. So the next thing you want to then do is to come over to ChatGPT. You don't even need to create an account. You want to type in a simple text prompt like this. So once you do that, as you can see, ChatGPT has given us 3 topics that we can simply use to create viral video on YouTube. All right, as you can see here, these are 3 relatable topics right here, which is going to go viral easily on YouTube. Like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure whatever niche you're working with is very relatable. And now to create a video, like I said earlier, you want to make sure to be using AI to make your workflow easy. You can create content efficiently and quickly. You come over to InVideo.io. This tool allows you to create videos with just text prompts. All you simply need to do is to type in your keyword and you want to click on send, and this tool is going to generate amazing videos for you that is going to get millions of views on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to make money with these videos without having to get monetized on YouTube. So once you create your videos from InVideo AI, the next thing we are going to be doing is to look for products to promote. And there are so many platforms you can find products to promote. And like I said earlier, using this strategy, you don't need to wait to get monetized on YouTube, as you can start making money right away when you start promoting specific products that are related to the video you are uploading on YouTube. And if you come over to clickbank.com, this is one of the platforms where you can find affiliate products to promote. And once you promote this product, you get a commission of every sale you make. So you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in a keyword related to whatever niche you're working with. All right, so I'm going to type in girlfriend here as an example. And as you can see, there are various products in this niche that we can start promoting from ClickBank and start getting commissions. As you can see, this product here is going to pay us $68 for every sale we make. So the next way you can find offers to promote is by simply coming over to offervault.com. You want to do the same thing here, type in that keyword and you are going to find a lot of affiliate networks you can sign up to. And once you start getting leads or start making sales, you get your commission. Another platform you can come over to is cpagroup.com. And on this platform, you can also find various offers from various niches you can promote to people and start getting leads. So once you've created the YouTube videos, I highly recommend to target audience in tier 1 countries. And the reason is because these are top economies and people from these countries can easily purchase these affiliate products, or they can give you a higher payout when they complete CPA offers. And to do that, you're going to need a proxy. And that brings us to Node Maven Residential Proxy. And they are the best I've been using over the years, as I previously tested out other providers and none of them are close to the quality you get from Node Maven Proxy. And all you simply need to do is to click on the first link in the description, which is then going to bring you to their website. And as you can see, if you come over to use case, you can see you can use this for affiliate marketing purpose as stated right here. All you simply need to do is to then scroll down here. And as you can see here, they have very affordable plans starting from 30 euros a month, which is going to give you 5 gigabytes of traffic, up to $1,700 a month for 500 gigabytes of traffic. And so you know, your traffic does not expire until you use it up. And if you wish to test Node Maven Proxy out, you can simply come over to this section that says Start Trial. For those who are serious about making money with this strategy, I highly recommend to select any of the plans available right here. So I'm going to take the 10 gigabyte plan as an example. So once you click on that, it's then going to bring you to this page. And all you simply need to do is to come over to where it says Apply Coupon. And if you come over here and you type in XB, as you can see, you're going to get extra 2 gigabytes of free traffic. So once you purchase any of the plans, your dashboard is going to look like this. And now before we proceed to the next step, I'm going to show you the level of quality you can get when using Node Maven Proxy. So I'm going to come over to this section, and if I type in 20 proxies here, it's going to generate 20 proxies for me. All I then need to do is to click on copy. Then I'm going to use this tool called Pixel Scan to check the quality of these proxies. And all I need to do from here is to then click on check proxies. So as you can see for yourself, the quality of Node Maven Proxy is 100%. As you can see the success rate right here. And if I scroll down here, you can see you can safely use Node Maven Proxies for your affiliate marketing purposes. And this way you are guaranteed of making money using this strategy. So now that we know Node Maven Proxy is of high quality, you want to then come over to the location settings section. All right. So this is where you want to then type in any country you wish to target. So I'm going to take United States as an example. And as you can see, you can target any region in the US, as you can see right here. And also you can target any city in this state as well. So now you want to then come over to this section that says proxy, and we are going to generate one proxy. The next thing you then need is an anti-detect browser, which we are going to be using to manage multiple YouTube accounts at once. All right. So now there are so many ones you can use out there, but the best is Dolphin anti-detect browser. As you can see here, you can use it safely for affiliate marketing purposes as stated on their website. All right. So all you need to do from here is to make sure to click on the first link, which is then going to bring you to the Dolphin anti-detect browser website. All right. And then you want to then click on get started for free. So once you do that, this is where you want to then create an account on Dolphin anti-detect browser, which will be, so once you create your account, you want to then simply go back and you want to come over to where it says download. So once you click on the download button, it's going to bring you to this page and it's going to ask you to download the respective version for your device. So since I'm on Windows, all I need to do from here is to click on download for Windows. So if you're on Mac, you want to make sure to download for Mac as well. So once you download it, all you then simply need to do is to install it to your device. So once you do that, you'll be able to create multiple profiles, which you can then use to manage multiple YouTube accounts right away. So now I'm going to create a profile right here. Okay, so we are going to leave this as profile 1. All right, so you can give it any name of your choice. So the next thing you want to then do here is to scroll down to where it says proxy. And here you want to then make sure to select new proxy. Okay, so this is where you then want to paste in the node moving proxy you copied. So once you paste in the proxy here, as you can see, it's going to show you the details of the proxy. As you can see, this proxy here is from Arizona in United States, and you're going to see the IP address as well. All right. So now I'm going to rename the profile to something like YouTube. Okay. So I'm going to say maybe YouTube 1. All right. And here you want to then click on create profile. So this is how easy you can create profiles on Dolphin anti-detect browser. So all you then need to do from here is to click on start. So once you do that, as you can see, it has successfully opened the browser. And all you need to do from here is to go over to youtube.com. So once you do that, as you can see, it's then going to bring you to the YouTube website, and all you need to do is to click on the sign in button. And this is where you then want to click on create account. So once you do this, you will be able to create a Google account, which will then allow you to create a YouTube account. So once you create the YouTube account, like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure to have the 3 videos ready, which you've created from InVideo.com. All you then need to do from here is to simply upload 3 videos per YouTube channel. So this is how I do this strategy without any problem. You want to make sure to upload maximum of 3 videos per channel. All right. So once you do that, you want to also make sure to then include your affiliate link, which you've gotten from either clickbank.com or any affiliate network. And I'm going to show you an example of a channel that is doing this. So I'm going to take this video here as an example. So if we go over to the comment section of this video, as you can see, this is a YouTube short video. And as you can see, this channel right here says, drop the cutest pet gift now, link in channel bio. Okay. So now we all know you can post link on YouTube short videos. So if you have any YouTube short videos, all you simply need to do is to tell people to go over to the bio of the channel, and they are going to find the affiliate link right there. And as you can see here, people are even engaging with this post, and it's getting a lot of likes as well. All right. And as you can see, this video was posted a couple of days ago, and I can assure you, many of these people here would have gone to the bio and click on the link, which would then take them to the affiliate product or whatever they are promoting there. And that channel is going to be making money without YouTube ads. So now that you know how this strategy works from start to finish, all you simply need to do from here is to then replicate this same strategy for as many keywords as possible, and I can assure you, you're going to get tremendous results as well. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now. This is the next video you should watch to scale your affiliate earnings.